So this is day 2 at my boy Eric's house. We're gonna get the Caprice turned around. I'm gonna get it off the trailer, change this thermostat housing real quick so I don't leak antifreeze all over his nice shop floor like I did my nice shop floor. And then we'll get inside, get on the lift, see what we got. All right, so I figure I'll just change this housing that cracked last time we were at Point Egg Dave's house, and last time I drove it, it sprayed stuff everywhere. I had a big smoky mess, so I like to not paint his shop floor like I did mine, so I'll change this housing. It's off of 283, but it'll work. Then I can just drive it in. I also need a return spring. I realized that when I drove the car and it was shooting to the moon. So this is how bad the housing was cracked. So I just got this one off of 283. I'll put it on there for now. And then when I go to restore it, then I'll put a correct one on there. But yeah, should be all right. But yeah, catastrophic, okay. It was leaking like a sieve. Might as well not have been on there.
Can.
You bring back, let me know when it stops or whatever.
Okay. Just on you. Just, yeah, turn it over. Stop. Can you roll a little bit? Backwards. Take the brake off. No. Yep. Go forward a little bit. There you go. Forward.
Yo, it is so hot in there. right, so it's in the shop. Didn't catch on fire. Did a little cooling on the ground, but I'll change that gasket again. But yeah, we're inside. I'll take that gas can off, and then we'll be back at it tomorrow. So y'all understand how excited I am, man. And today's what, June 30th, so we got about 22 or 24 days, something like that, until Goodguys. So if there was a car show up the street, I could drive it there like this. So it's only up from here, literally. Pick up tomorrow. So real quick, this should be the last time we even got to use the gas can and the strap, because I have the gas tank for it in the trunk. So I plan on dropping that in before it leaves and driving it back out. Once we get the carburetor sorted out, it should go out no problem. So I ended up putting the car on the lift, and we did some really boring brake stuff. We cut the exhaust off so that way I can actually back the car up without it digging into the trailer or the dirt. And then I was gonna shelf the car, not gonna lie to you. Life started lifing, had a bunch of things going on. But I did end up taking the car to my yard and then starting on it there. But if you do want to see disc brakes being rebuilt, or actually no, if you want to see drum brakes being rebuilt, which were the rear ones are drum, the front are disc, I can link the video to when Pontiac Dave and I rebuilt the disc or the drum brakes all around on my 66 Impala wagon. So it's once you do it once, you never want to do them again. Yeah. So watch that video. It's at the end of this one, and I'll catch you on the next part, which picks up from the yard. Peace.